Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back on another video. So I've got my brakes, discs, all that stuff changed, pads, and we got an error message on the screen still. Hopefully we can reset that, so I'm going to be showing you how to reset your service thing for the brake pads and stuff. I'll show you what message comes up. Mine is more of a serious one, it comes up with a red one. There you go. So yeah, I'll show you how to do it. So what you want to do is, so car's off, you want to press start, stop, don't start the engine, just start the car. There you go. Alright, and then hold this down until this changes in the middle. To the service bit, come on. Oh, mine's taking a while. Try that again. There you go. Alright, so brake fluid, reset possible. So you go through all them, engine oil, rear brake pads minus 500 miles. That's probably why it's giving me the red warning, because we've reset them now, like redone them. But yeah, so what you can do is just press and hold this button. It'll come up with the reset possible, and then let go, press it again and hold it again, and then it should reset it. There you go. Just keep that hold it down. Reset successful. The rear ones are done now, and now the front ones minus 260 miles. Obviously we've done them as well. So press and hold, let go, press and hold again. There's the reset. Oh, there you go. Unsuccessful. That might be because I let go of it, so I'll try that again. So reset, hold it down, hopefully it works this time. If not, we might have a problem with the sensors. Oh, unsuccessful. Oh, that's weird. I'll have to get that sorted by your garage somewhere. So yeah, anyways, that's how you do it. Thank you guys for watching. You just scroll through all this stuff, and to get back to your normal menu, just switch the car off and on. That's it. See you guys next time. Goodbye.